Hi friends, let us today understand the G.I.T symptoms of Arnica montana. Whatever I have seen in practice, I'll share my experience with you. See, injury, elements of injury is a very important part in Arnica. Whenever there is trauma, whenever the person falls down, we first think about Arnica. So, elements of injury, it could be mind and body both. Injury to mind, trauma, that also you can take, or simple injury, what you can see, that also you can take. So one symptom in stomach that you should remember is indigestion from injury. Again, you fall, you have injury, or you injured mentally, somebody has humiliated you or done something to hurt you, that also you can take in Arnica montana. For example, indigestion from injury, you can have Arnica montana, you can have bryonia, you can have calcareca, you can have pulsatilla, but Arnica is a very important remedy in both the sense, mentally and physical, both injuries you can take that. In the same way, you can see in Arnica montana diarrhea after injury. Now in this also, the word injury is very important as I told you. You can take injury, मार लगने से भी इंजरी होती है, मेंटल इंजरी, कोई चीज़ तकलीफ हो रही है दिमाग में, उसके इंजरी से भी अगर आपको डायरिया होता है, you can think about Arnica or you can think about Vashi also. Two symptoms very important in relation to injury for G.I.T symptoms of Arnica. As you go further, in Arnica, it is written that the digestion is very slow. So when the digestion is slow, automatically all symptoms will come because of slow digestion. The food will not be digested. So irritations कैसे आएंगे? In Arnica montana, very important 3 marking symptom is irritation like spoiled egg, especially in the morning while rising. You understand the correlation, digestion is slow, so automatically there is fermentation of food, so the digestion irritations of boiled egg, and you can have stools which are also fermented. This is how you have to study your mater medica, my dear friends. Next, as you go further in Arnica, pain in the region of liver, the patient shows the liver region, especially aggravated on walking. Very important symptom of Arnica montana. You can compare this symptom with either lachesis or you can think about hiparsulf. I have seen lot of cases where I have given lachesis, it has failed, and Arnica has worked. So in the splenic region, aggravation on walking. One more symptom in relation to stomach is whenever the patient is coughing, there is cutting pain in the abdomen. So we see that whenever there is cough, there is pain in the chest, pain in the abdomen, there are different remedies. But if there is a cutting pain in the abdomen on coughing, the patient coughs and holds the abdomen because there is a lot of pain on coughing in the abdomen, you can think about Arnica montana. Again, you can think about Vashi or valeriana also. Stools, as I told you in Arnica montana, are fermented, and also of course raven like stool is a very important symptom of Arnica, but one symptom which I remember is stools are frothy and brown. Now whenever you get angry, हर एक रेमेडीज के अलग अलग रिएक्शन है. इफ यू आर एंग्री you weep, if you are angry you throw thing, if you are angry you have pain in the abdomen, if you are angry you cannot breathe properly. Different symptoms of anger in relation to different personalities. In Arnica montana, remember my dear friends, irritations are bitter after anger. जब भी पेशेंट को बहुत गुस्सा आता है, पूरी उसको कड़वी irritations आते हैं. It's a very important symptom of Arnica montana. Don't miss this symptom. And nausea. So much so nausea is there in Arnica montana, it prevents swallowing. मतलब पेशेंट थूक भी गिटकता है, खाना भी गिटकता है, nausea की वजह से गिटक नहीं पाता है. A very important symptom of Arnica montana. I have seen in many of cases and have prescribed with this symptom with very good results in Arnica montana. And lastly, what I remember, one symptom of Arnica montana is it's a very important remedy for prolapse of rectum, especially after walking. Prolapse of rectum after walking is also Arnica montana. So my dear friends, these are all clinical symptoms which I have seen in my practice and prescribed, and have got very good results with Arnica montana. So if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.